have some Hasport mounts. We're gonna unbox that today. Basically, we're gonna replace the rear motor mount to make the engine more stable. Alright, so out of the box we get Hasport sticker. You know, extra 5 horsepower slapping on that bitch. Then we got the actual mount itself. Ooh, look at that, shiny. And here is the rear motor mount. I got the 70A because, you know, I'm not trying to get race car style. I just want a regular kind of daily-able rear mount. We'll see. I'll give y'all guys a review and see if this is really stiff or not. We'll see how it rides and let's get started. So we currently just finished jacking up the car. Boy over here helping me out. And we're about to go under and unbolt the old mount. Basically right there, there's a mount right here, and we just gotta take out these 3 bolts right there, and then one right there, and there's one on the other side. The new one is on. One tip is we took off this bracket right here. That way everything is easier to take off this mount. But other than that, that should be it. First startup. Whoa, you could definitely feel that. Something that I noticed is you could definitely feel the center console and the engine move more, but it's not something like, it's doable. First gear pull. Wow! Oh shit, VTEC! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so definitely for sure, this is worth it because before, when I shifted from first gear to second, it would always grind, or the transmission would like slouch a lot and move like this. Shout out to Khai, he was the one who helped me and he brought the tools along, so I'll leave his Instagram down below as well. But I'll see you guys next time in the next one.